This video explains how to add the Work to Do widget to your homepage as an instructor in Brightspace. The Work to Do widget keeps students up to date on coursework, assignments, and quizzes. The Work to Do widget must be enabled for you to access it from the System Widgets list. You must have a widget-based homepage set up for your course and permissions to edit homepages. Ensure you have set due dates for all learning activities in your course that you want to appear to learners in the Work to Do widget. At the bottom of your course homepage, click the Homepage Actions menu. Click Edit this homepage. In the Widgets area, click Add Widgets. Click System Widget. Select the Work to Do checkbox. Click Add. Drag and drop the widget to the desired location on your homepage. Click Save and Close.